Hello, everybody. It is just before lunch on Sunday, the 24th. Bob is off with one of the sons-in-law, and he'll be back in a little while. In the meantime, I've been doing some chores and avoiding putting my laundry away. Anyway, I got my mess on the table that was here in the end of last week's vlog cleaned up. I reorganized my yarn a little bit to make finding some things a little easier. And I took I was going to buy something new, and after much thought about it, I realized I didn't really need to spend the money on that. And I had these drawers. They had mixed media stuff in them that I wasn't using. It's still out, and I'm going to use it, but I have these organized now with all my amigurumi yarn. So when I'm starting a new one and I need a color, I can just open the drawers, pull out the color I need, and that'll work. I did discover doing that. I have a lot of blue. I need to make some blue penguins or something. Anyway, that worked really well. Reorganized a few more things to just make the workflow of current arts and crafts types and material types that are inspiring my creativity easier access. And I've talked about this before. My art space is an ever-changing, place of creativity. I try to have fixtures in the room that are easily reorganized and used for different things when inspiration comes up. And so far, that's worked just fine. My hair's still kind of damp. Anyway, it's probably time I go downstairs and actually put my laundry away. I have some wet clothes I've got to put in the dryer. All the things I'd rather not do, but I have to. And then I'm going to sit down and work on my dragon. I got the haunches, the thighs done last night. I got the front legs and claws and teeth done last night. I need to work on the feet and the wings. And I think there's one of the things I'm going to add to the dragon is I'm going to do something down the spine on the back. I don't know what yet, but something. And yeah. All right, let's get it done. I'll be back. So it is Monday morning, just before lunch, and we decided to go on a car ride. Why? Why not?
Left turn ahead onto OR6 Northwest Wilson River Highway.
We decided to use the car's GPS, which isn't the most accurate, and she sent us a very circuitous route to the coast, which is where we're headed, to walk around and have some lunch and then head back, just because we can. We'll take you with us where we can. So far, we're in the back roads of farm country on Northwest Wilson River Highway. I don't know exactly where that is, except we just drove through Forest Grove and a couple other little small towns. But it's pretty.
Yeah.
So anyway,
It is very nice.
of course I have some crochet. Of course I do. So anyway, we'll let you know how it goes and take some pictures if we can, and we'll be back.
At the end.
Sorry about the shaky camera. The road's a bit bumpy, but it's really pretty. We have no idea where we are. We're headed towards 26 West. We're on Northwest Timber Road. I don't know where that is. Of course, I have absolutely no sense of direction. The only thing I know is there's some really cute little properties out here, but literally nothing else. The one little market we passed was
Okay.
closed, and it looks like the road might be closed too. That's interesting. I guess we're turning around.
I guess so.
Okay, we've not only seen a bald eagle, well, mostly him, I was looking down, but every time we come to the coast or drive anywhere around the West Coast, you not only see deer signs and stuff like that, you see elk signs.
I
And
see deer signs.
yeah, and we're like, okay, that's just, a joke, because you never see elk. I never see elk.
We've been down here
Until today!
a dozen times. We've been down here.
We just saw an elk on the side of the road eating the weeds.
Yeah, just standing there.
Just standing there. Which I'm glad about, because we don't want him jumping in front of the car, but holy cow, you guys.
Finally found an elk.
We saw an elk. And
Okay.
in case you can't see it, you probably can't because of the glare, but the ocean is like right there. Anyway, yay! Okay, yes, we're still out driving.
Bucket
Because,
list, huh?
yeah. Yes! All right, I'll be guys,
back.
Good morning. We are babysitting Junior today. Hubby is still off at about 11 o'clock, taking him out for a walk before nap time, and because he naps at around lunch. He's enjoying himself immensely. So anyway, he's liking the fact that he's over for Oma and Pop Pop's time, and Pop Pop's not up in his office, I think. So anyway.
I'll go somewhere else when he takes a nap.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna go get some steps in. We will be getting some Thanksgiving Day shopping done later. I have randomness I need to pick up at stores. I'm gonna try to, I think, do it tomorrow along with groceries, because I don't want to go to any of the shops over the weekend if I don't have to, because it's usually insane. So we'll see. Anyway, let's go get some steps in and I'll be back. It has been like 2 days since I've vlogged. 3 maybe. I'm babysitting what Oma's doing. Anyway, we've just been really busy with the holidays and things. I have made a couple more amigurumi. I'll put some pictures here. I made a couple birds. I'm working on a bunch of birds right now. Anyway, I am getting done stuff what I can when I can, but we are busy. The holidays keep us busy. Grandson keeps us busy. All the things. Here, you want a Cheerio? Anyway, I'll vlog when I can, what I can. We're obviously babysitting right now because the parents are out shopping for Christmas, and Grandpa took Crazy Pants' sister out for a walk while we're just here eating Cheerios and watching Five Little Ducks. Anyway, I'll be back. Hello, guys. It is Saturday morning. 10 something. I don't know exactly what time it is. Yeah, Saturday morning. It's been a busy, crazy few days with Thanksgiving and putting up holiday decorations. The tree is up. You can kind of see it behind the lamp. We're not done with holiday decorations, but anyway, I got caught up on all my social media posts for December just now, thankfully, because December's tomorrow. So at least I got it done finally. Although I greatly detest shopping on Black Friday weekend, I do think we're gonna go do something. We need a few things, so I think we're gonna go do that. I think we're gonna actually drive into Washington State and do some shopping because there's a few things we need. It'll be easier gotten up there, which is fine. We don't have anything else to do except maybe a few outdoor holiday decorations and yeah, maybe some indoor lights. And that's it, I think. I do need to catch up again on daily drawing because I'm behind again. It's been a thing. I also have some ideas for next year for Patreon, which might be interesting. It'll be a weekly thing instead of a monthly thing. So I should probably do the first couple of those and see what I think about it. And if I like it, then do a few of them in advance. Because, yeah. All right. I guess first things first, I should probably take a shower and get dressed because these are my pajamas. So I'll be back. Guys, so we are in our front room in one of my new chairs. Let's see, this is my chair. That's Bob's chair. And the Christmas tree. I've been bad about vlogging this week. Sorry about that, I apologize. Still going through stuff. Anyway, I have spent a lot of time in the last week making birds. Birds have been a thing this week. Once I got finished with the dragon, I'll put a picture here of the dragon. It's a complicated knots pattern. She's got videos on her patterns. They're not beginner patterns. But that being said, she does explain things pretty thoroughly. Once I got that done, I took the pattern that I used to make the eagle. He didn't come with the top hat or the scarf. I winged it for those, but there was a bald eagle in the pattern. I will put the name of the artist here. I think it's Momji. And I'll link the pattern down below. There's a number of birds in the pattern. So I have been going through, once I got the dragon done and making all the other birds. So we have a cockatoo. He's really cute. And a lovebird. And my lap is full of birds. A cockatiel. And then I think it's a budgie. I think a budgie. I just finished him a few minutes ago. So anyway, I'm having a lot of fun making these. And, you know, I really enjoy it very much. So I'm not going to stop anytime soon. I do have other things upstairs I need to catch up on. Things for 2025 I need to start prepping. So I'll be doing some of that tomorrow and Monday. But that's for next week's vlog. We also have got, the kids helped us put the tree up this week. And a few other decorations around the house. We put a few things up in the window tomorrow I think we'll put the lights up on outside. We were supposed to do it today, but it didn't happen. I don't know what to say. We're at that age where we're just about ready to start hiring people to put the lights up outside. My dad said he'll be lucky to get lights up around the door at his house. He is 86, so you know. Anyway, yeah, it's been a good week. It's just been with the holiday and babysitting and the kids and, you know, wanting to just spend time with Bob while he's off. It's been a little hectic and I haven't gotten as much creativity in, but that's sort of the story of my life lately. And yeah, you know, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just, it is what it is and we're good. But, you know, I can't be mad when I see this pile of stuff on my table. I did drop a bird. He's back there. Anyway, I hope that, you know, me filming these vlogs, if I can figure out how to squeeze even 5 minutes of being creative into the day, I hope it helps you figure out how you can squeeze some time in, even if your day is weird and crazy and stressful and you're going through whatever. We're all there with you. Anyway. Yeah, check out the video description for relevant links, ways to support the free content here on YouTube. One of the projects I need to work on for next year is something I just thought of the other day for Patreon. So if I'm going to do it, I need to start making it. So I'm filming it. So anyway, it'll be a weekly project going forward. If you're interested in participating and you want to join my Patreon, it is very inexpensive. Follow the link in the video description. I'd love to have you over there. There's also a bunch of stuff that's already been posted that goes way back. They have their own private YouTube channel with a bunch of Crazy Island family videos on it. Y'all remember that? Anyway, that's it for right now. I can't think of anything else. We do have, this is all giveaway things that I need to give away at some point. It's slowly depleting, but I mean, you know, I'm all right if it just stays like that for a while. Anyway, have I gone off topic enough? All right, that's it for this week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. Besides the Patreon project, I am going to be filming more art for therapy videos, more junk journaling videos going forward, starting actually in December. And so stay tuned for those. And I already aired one, so if you haven't seen it, go back to my channel and go look it up and go watch it. And yeah, that's it for this week. Go out and have a good day. Have a good week. Do something nice for yourself. Even if it's sitting at home in the quiet, reading a book, working on your crochet, working in your journal. It's okay to say no to going places if that's what you're feeling. Do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.